my top 10 tip to use Canva to make videos. Tip number 1, search. When you go to Canva, you want to type into the search box itself, YouTube video. You get 1920 by 1080 pixels in a horizontal format. Tip number 2, template. I love templates. The reason you should use templates, they're completely customizable and they're going to save you a ton of time and give you a head start. Select a template by either theme or style or color. Tip number 3, multi-page. That is one of the factors that you definitely want to look for. I'm talking about a template that already has multiple pages. For example, if you hover over any of the videos where you see the little video icon, the sideways triangle, it's going to show you the length of the video. Why does that matter? Generally speaking, longer videos, longer than 1 or 2 seconds, 8 seconds, 10 seconds, generally speaking, will have multiple pages. And that's a secret, that's kind of a tip on how you're going to find a template that's already got multiple pages. Hover over that template itself, you will start seeing the video play. And if what you see is a number of different looking pages, there you go. Then you know that that video is not just one long video. What does it look like when it has multiple pages? Here's the name of the template, apply all 5 pages. And you can see those pages at the bottom of the screen, and they go across horizontally from page to page to page. That's what makes it unbelievably simple. And if you have any questions about that, leave them in the comments below. Tip number 4, BRoll or upload. On your dashboard, you can scroll down to videos, and then you can type anything you want in the search bar. I typed in business person, and look at all these videos that came up with people. This is a great way to add BRoll, which is the main video, or you can upload your own video. 5 minutes or less is ideal to upload to Canva. On your dashboard, click on Upload Media, and what you will see is your desktop, and then you'll be able to choose where your video is from. And then you click to upload. There's an icon that shows you as it uploads, and you can also see it on whatever it is that you're uploading. You'll see that bar until it's totally uploaded, and then you won't see that bar anymore. Tip number 5, length. If you were to use Canva's videos, and this applies to your own videos as well. So the video is 18.6 seconds, but you go up to the scissors where you can cut it. You select that and you have the whole video here, but you can drag the purple bars to exactly which portion of that video you want and the length that you want on that video. Even though it was 18.6 seconds, look, now it's only 3.4 seconds. Go up to the triangle at the top of your page where it says how many seconds that is, and you click that, or you can go down to the bottom of the page where your pages are, and you can click on the icon itself. If you uploaded your own video, you do the exact same thing. You click on your video, you're going to replace one of the videos that are there or all of them. It's up to you. Now, if your video is a minute and 48 seconds, now you can click on the scissors again. You can choose the portion of that video and make it the same length. Tip number 6. I love this feature in Canva. It's so simple, it's ridiculous. You go to your video and you just click on it to select it. The way that you know it's selected is because there's a blue line, a solid blue line around it. There will be round circles at the corners, and there will be oblong bars at both sides and top and bottom. Select one of those bars, and then you want to drag. You just want to drag it in to wherever you want to crop it, to whichever point you want it to be cropped to. You can do that with the top and the bottom, or you can crop it down and then pull it out by clicking on the circle and dragging that circle out. So now you have cropped image, but it fills the entire video. So here we are, and I've selected it by just clicking on it, and now I can pull down the top, I can pull in the side, I can pull up the bottom, I can drag out the corner on both sides, and now if I wanted it to fill the whole screen, I could go back and pull out the sides, or I could pull it down and crop it again, and I could add another video, or I could have learn coming out of my head. So this is how you crop and enlarge and reduce your videos in seconds. Tip number 7, B-roll. One of the most important things to make your videos pop and make them look professional is B-roll. What the heck is B-roll? B-roll is another video that you add over you talking, or another video that you add next to you while you're talking about what you're showing, or it's text that pops up or goes across your screen, or it's graphics that you add. You can add that by going to your dashboard on the left side of Canva and choosing element. Tip number 8. Audio! Woohoo! We're adding sounds for audio. Audio is so easy to add in Canva. Go to your dashboard and select audio to add in to your video. If you have the free version of Canva, you do have to pay for the audio, which will come with a one-time use license. If you are using Canva Pro, which I love, it's only $119 for an entire year. That's less than $10 a month. It includes audio, and it includes a one-time license for every video that you download. Tip number 9, brand kit. So what is a brand kit? This is one of the things that Canva offers you that is awesomely cool. A brand kit is where you can add your own brand fonts. These are the text that you want to use for your entire business. All of your videos, this is what you use on your thumbnails. This is what you use in your marketing materials. This is what you use if you do a lead magnet. There are so many reasons why you want to use a brand kit. The second reason besides the fonts is colors. You can upload your own exact colors by hex code. When you type in the exact hex code, then your exact color will come up that you can use in all of your marketing materials and your videos and your thumbnails. And that's the awesome thing about brand kits. And now,
don't scream.
Number 10. Tip number 10. I think we need some noise for that. Tip number 10. Let's get applause. Yeah, and a triangle. Little glockenspiel. Party noise. Woo! Okay, tip number 10. Page secrets. Well, what the heck are page secrets? This is so cool. Page secrets are when you are on your dashboard and you click on the page at the bottom of your screen, at the bottom of your canvas where all the little pages are. Click one of them. Now you are going to have the opportunity to add a page, duplicate a page, add transitions, delete the page entirely, or make notes. So if you're working with other people, or even if you just want to remember something, you can type notes into little secret page elements here. How do you do that? Click on the page. You know it's selected because it's got a purple line all the way around it. And then there is a purple oval with 3 white dots. When you select that, a pop-up says add a page, or duplicate, or add a transition, or just delete the whole thing, or create some notes. It is that simple, but I tell you, most people have no idea that this even exists. What if you just wanted to duplicate that page? Okay, you just select it and click duplicate. Add transitions. How do you do that? Well, this is one of the coolest things. Transitions are what happen in between on Canva pages, and you are able to select, look at this, you have 4 options. Now, a professional video editing program gives you a ton of transitions, but who cares? These are great transitions. These are transitions that will make your video look more professional, and they're customizable. If I select, let's say, the first transition, I am able to change the length of the transition just by pulling on the round circle, always knowing that round circles in Canva mean that you can change something. It's selected because there's a purple line all the way around it, and then I can just drag this up and down, and it shows me how many seconds it is right here. Some of the transitions give you the option not only to change the duration, but also to change the direction. What that means is that, let's say you want your video to the transition to come in instead of out. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in either one of those videos.